What's that?
My mom ate too.
Take a leaf out of Carl's book.
Once upon a time, there was an orange and a banana. What did the orange say when they were looking for apple? Keep your eyes peeled. Nah.
Who's there? Dwayne who?
I'm drowning.
You're drowning? So Daniel, what are you looking forward to at the museum?
The dinosaur part.
Oh, are there big dinosaurs there?
The dinosaur bones, and you can dig up a dinosaur bones.
You can dig them up? That's awesome.
Come in. There's a big dinosaur.
How big?
Like,
Bigger than Daddy?
yeah, way bigger.
Like a lot bigger or a little bigger?
A lot bigger. A lot bigger.
But Daddy's really big.
He's a lot bigger than you.
Oh, really?
And it's this dinosaur bone. It's not its whole body.
Oh, it's just the bones. So no muscles, no stomach, no heart. He doesn't have a heart. He's heartless.
He's dead. Can you say no, Batman? No, Batman. Can you say, what does Chewbacca say? What?
What? Can you say yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you say no? No. Can you say tree? Tree. Can you say house? House. Can you say park? Park. Can you say playground? Playground. Can you say hello? Hello. Can you say goodbye? Bye. Can you say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious? Can you say your houses?
This looks expensive. Mommy, how much are we paying?
Nothing.
Why?
Because of the library.
Daniel, did you know that we're coming for free?
I do not know that.
See, Liam? What?
Off.
Off? The off?
This one.
Which one?
Yeah.
You say it?
Yeah. Anomalacris canamana.
Oh.
Lobster. It's a puzzle. It's a lobster. Just give me. Hey, don't steal my pearl. I'm tired. Nighty night.
You should snore, Ellie. Liam, what you doing, bud? You building a puzzle? What's your puzzle?
What's the puzzle made of?
Who's in the puzzle? No matter where we go, Liam always finds a puzzle. Can you guys dance?
All the lighting in here.
Oh yeah, come right here. Come right here. He's pretty hot.
He's cold.
What?
He's cold.
Maestro, we've got you. What do you need?
Oh, there we
Good
go.
ESA out there. Over.
Copy that. Sending work letter. Service proper. All right, we got a bit of a dusty, hazy day out here. I'm going to go ahead and engage work lights.
Copy.
All right, that is much better. Oh my goodness. Hello and welcome out there, everyone. If you can hear me okay, give me a thumbs up, would you? All right, fantastic. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mission Specialist Dan Weiss. How do volcanoes form on Mars? So, like I was saying, today, none of them are active. None of them are erupting anymore because we think that Mars has cooled down a lot on the inside. Mars is a smaller planet than Earth, and that means there's less heat left over from its formation. And without that heat, they don't erupt anymore. But we think that a long time ago in the past, there was enough heat to keep a layer of rock molten, like lava and magma. And because of the pressure underneath the surface, that lava and magma always was looking for a way out, looking for a way to poke its way through the crust. And where it found that path, that became a volcano. So that's kind of sort of how volcanoes form on Mars.
Years old. How old can you live, Carl?
Is there a talking bug, Tyler?
It's 5 years old. That's pretty much peak for a cockroach.
Whoa, that's very cool. I hope you live to 5 years old, Carl.
Thank you, thank you.
All right.
They eat.
Ooh, how do they eat? Would you also like to know what they eat?
Yeah.
All right, we are going to ask you guys what and how you eat. Once again, we will start with my friend Carl. What do you eat and how do you eat it?
Well, in terms of how I eat, I have mandibles, which are like little pincers at the front of my mouth. So I'll pinch off a bit of food and then I'll use my sucking mouth parts to suck it up. But in terms of what I eat, I'm what's called a detritivore. So I like to eat whatever falls on the forest floor. So like rotting fruit or rotting meat, or my very special favorite delicacy is poop.
Whoa, you eat poop? Do any of you eat poop?
No! No! Have even ever tried it? It's delicious.
What's that?
My mom ate
Should
too.
take a leaf out of
Build the letter B or letter A? Letter A. Okay. Let's see.
I want this.
That's a letter C.
I'm gonna open the lazy.
How to just push them with your hands, please. You want to do letter C? Yes. Okay, let's do letter C.
Liam, what you doing? What's that? What letter is that? C.
It's the number 3. Should we make the number 3?
What was your favorite part of the museum? Did you like the dinosaurs? Are you going to be quiet and shy now? Are you silly?
Hello. Hello.
Dan, what was your favorite part of the museum?
My turn.
Your turn? What was your favorite part?
I'll make choice.
Play with toys? Did you build blocks? Stack blocks and make letters? No, you didn't? What'd you do?
We go church.
We went to church. That was a really cool church then. Ellie and Tyler, I can't see you. What were your favorite parts of the museum? Space, Tyler? What part of the dinosaurs? Digging for bones? Oh. Where you saw the earth? got destroyed. So wonderful. Mommy, what was your favorite part of the museum?
I loved the dinosaurs and the baby stegosaurus. It was a skeleton, but I still liked it.
And I loved everything. So one of the really cool things in Denver, specifically the county we have, is with the library we were able to get free tickets through an adventure pass to go to the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. And so we actually were able to go free when it would have cost our family of 6 probably like $50 for the day. So great opportunity. So always look out in your city for the places that give you free tickets to any of the cool attractions, things going on. But definitely something that our kids enjoyed a lot. There's a lot of things to see. And the nice thing with it being free, like we only spent maybe a couple hours there, so it didn't feel bad leaving in the afternoon to let our little one go take a nap. So definitely a fun activity for kids. So this was vlog number 1. We appreciate you tuning in, and feel free to subscribe. We're looking forward to sharing more about our adventures over the coming days and the coming weeks. So look out for more.